It's okay. You may dislike somebody in the beginning, you may like someone in the beginning, it's okay. Our goal has to be fixed. You begin with one love towards God and see how this journey takes us further. Ramakrishna Paramahansa used to talk about bhakti. He also used to talk about discrimination. And discrimination is a fundamental thing in yoga, viveka, what to do, what not to do. But when Chariji Maharaj said, love all whom he loves, then we start wondering, this person has wronged me so much, this person deserves me so much, he has done so much of favor to me. I can love this person more and I can love this person less, or I even hate this person. So the discrimination kicks in and the slogan remains a slogan, love all whom he loves. Whom doesn't he love? God we're talking about. He loves all. That means I should be loving all. But the discrimination says, no, I cannot love all. Both statements, love him who loves all and love all whom he loves, are complementary. Bhakti is a pinnacle of love. Bhakti is an outcome, it's a state. Just as love is a state, it's not a process. Love is a state we arrive at. Discrimination, it's a process. It's the beginning. Let's begin. It's okay. You may dislike somebody in the beginning, you may like someone in the beginning, it's okay. Our goal has to be fixed. You begin with one love towards God and see how this journey takes us further. And at the culmination of love, when we arrive at bhakti, everything becomes love, because then we see him in all. We feel him in all. This is culmination. This is what Sahaj Mark stands for. That's why unity is paramount, but it cannot be forced upon. It must be the result of my practice. And whenever we have discord, take it for granted. There is lack of practice, there is lack of understanding, lack of right thinking, and lack of honesty in one's life.